All right, good morning. Welcome aboard, everybody. Everybody rocking and rolling this morning. Let's do some trading, huh? I'm Mark Miller in the chair here doing some little bit of prop trading today. How about that? How's it going out there, Edward? Good to see ya. Sorry I'm running a little bit late this morning. Rue, what's happening? Got the money bags. Let's go, Rue. ODP. ODP. Let's go, Rue. All right, George. Good morning. Paramproot. Awesome. Thanks for joining us. Let's go rock and roll this morning. We got the NQ settling in right around 21,869 right about now. Had a nice little push up here, 830. The old smart velocity caught a nice little run here today. She's been on a roll last couple of days. This has been the hot one right here, smart velocity. All right, Rand. Good morning. Welcome aboard. Looking at the leaderboard this morning, trying to get my bearings. Got some accounts here to mess with today. Thought we would do a little bit of live prop trading. Got the NQ8U here hammered at about 869. A lot of volume. Not a lot of movement in price though. Holding that 870 mark pretty tight here. Oh, smart velocity. Let's get that one working. Get the old trade copier rolling here. Let's go around the AI Auto Trader and take a look and see what we're looking at here today. So I'm Mark Miller, owner of Right Line Trading. Welcome aboard. Appreciate you joining us today. I want to show this disclaimer real quick. Any trading opportunities that I might show here today are for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team, we take no part in your trading for any of your profit or loss. Trading involves a substantial amount of risk, so please research your financial situation with a licensed financial advisor before jumping in the ring here, because it moves quickly. With a quickness. She's off like lightning. So we've got a couple of strategies here that are trying to make a little bit of cash flow. That's all they're doing today, just running around trying to see if they can snatch a little bit of cash out of the market. Got this old ES8U scalper drone tuned in. This thing is tuned in right now. It's HOT for now. We're gonna let her roll today. We're gonna roll this Replicanto today. It's from Flowbots. Pretty easy fluid trade copier. Has the ability to put some tabs here in the bottom. It's pretty user friendly. So let's tee it up here. We're on the first hole. This is like a driving. Grab my driver over here. Grab my leader account. We'll roll this scalper drone.
Order filled.
Hey, Ran. Yeah. No, that's when it's hot usually. Um, that's why we have them set usually at like 8:30 or 9:30. That's usually when they start taking off like a rocket ship. So it's usually the best time for the
Order
bots.
filled.
Let me get this thing loaded up here. So we're going to load up the, I really like this ES scalper drone. This thing is hot. So we'll run her down here on these Apex accounts here. Gotta get my head straight here. 2146. I'm just dialing up dialing up the accounts.
Order filled.
Looking over here at my accounts and then just toggling them on over here.
Order submitted.
Okay, she's getting hot.
Order submitted.
Oh, Signal C dropped in long right there. Boy, look at that beauty. Who would have took that trade, huh? Boom, shakalaka. Need to get her all loaded up here before I lose and miss out. Whew.
Order filled.
Shit. Look at that thing go. Boom, shakalaka with a smart velocity drone. Let's get that thing all dialed up right here on these PA accounts. Boom, shakalaka. PA 361. Huh? There's old 361 somewhere. Dialing up these prop accounts to run on the old smart velocity here. That thing just struck a gold mine. See if we can. We just caught one here. We're going in. We're in hot with the smart velocity here. Want to load her up with a few more. Next trade it'll jump in these other ones that I have loaded. And we're off on PA 361 here. We're trying to go north. We've got a full-blooded cash hound here running, blue tick cash hound running on this this old raccoon here. Let's see if we can't catch a tail here. Run with him. Oh, smart velocity. Come on, baby. Over on the left, we're looking at old Smart Velocity Sim. Running old Smart Velocity Sim, running it through my trade copier down here. We're running it to these PA accounts. 361, we entered at, Sim we entered at. Sim entered at 9:33 on the dot. PA entered at 9:33.5. 2 ticks between friends. What's that worth? Dr. Hanson, good morning.
Order submitted.
What's 2 ticks between friends, Dr. Hanson?
Order filled.
Come on. It's like make some money, have some fun. Here we go. We got the old smart velocity jumped up long again on us. Going for a long trade here. Oh, come on, baby. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Dun. Boom, shakalaka, haymaker, ODP, clocked it in, hopefully ran, pulled the trigger, come on. Rand, tell me you pulled the trigger on the haymaker this morning. Right here she is. She locked in and loaded right there.
Order filled.
All right, we exit on line change. Got a couple dollars. Actually lost $4 on that deal. All right, 362 and 363 is in. What just happened?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, toggled in here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Way to go, Rand. Almost pulled in a 1K day. Awesome. 1K day. That's what I'm talking about. Take your 1K and hit the road, Jack. Got a hot leaderboard this morning. Okay, so we dropped in going south. Didn't make this trade. I had them toggled off here for a second. Trying to get these. Oh, smart velocity. She's a rockin'. I gotta get in on this bad boy.
Order.
There we go.
Order submitted.
All right, we dropped in like it was hot right there on that one.
Order submitted.
Whew. Here we go. Old give back. That's a full-blooded give back right there.
Order submitted.
And we're in again.
Order filled.
She's relentless. Woo-wee! Here we go. Coming out hot.
Order filled.
And they're rocking and rolling.
Filled.
Oh, smart velocity's jumping on it.
Order filled.
Woo-wee! Here we go.
Order filled. Order
Oh,
filled.
machine's all fired up over here. You can hear the fan just a smoking. All right, so there goes 100 points. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya. Oh, NQ coming out hot and then cooling off. Gonna find some footing here.
Order submitted.
See if she's building a old bear trap here coming at you.
Order submitted.
Old bear trap coming. Woo-wee. Watch out for the bear trap coming at you. Check out that return handle.
Order filled.
All right, double switchback. Trying to hold. Holding 850s. We're out. we'll see if 850 is going to be the number. Looks like it's got enough power to push through the 850. A lot of orders right here. Come on. And we're down a $400 bill coming out of this trade right now. $850 is getting a little soft here. Gonna climb through 850. Trying to work it. 21,850. Gonna hold tight on 21,850. Could be a floor for today.
Order filled.
All right, we're still hanging in there.
Order submitted.
Woo! Way to go, Rand. Caught 2,500 on his evals with the old smart stop here. Oh, NQ Smart Velocity. She's a hottie. Boom shakalaka. Looks like we hit the ESODP too. Woohoo! She been a hot one too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, caught signal B going long.
Order filled. Order
Okay,
submitted.
nice push here. See if we can get up here in profit window. Come on, profit window. Take a look at where we got filled on this order here. So Sim got filled at 882.25.
Order filled.
PA got filled at 882.25, right on the nuts. Oh, smart velocity.
Order submitted.
Oh yeah, shakalaka.
Order
Boom!
submitted.
Think we ought to load the wagon up with that one, huh?
Order filled.
Think we ought to load the wagon with that one.
Order filled. Order
Take a
filled.
quick break real quick.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right.
Order
We
filled.
back in the big chair here. Come on, trying to go south this time. Trying to bust through this old resistance wall. Caught that signal B going short this time. All right, down to $400 bill now. Come on. Uh-oh. Got chewed up maybe.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Holding 870 on the big market
Order
here.
filled. Order submitted.
Okay, came and got us on that one. chop here we got to work through. Come on. Find its footing here around 10 o'clock. Caught a nice run down on that one. Take a look at the ES, see what it's up to here.
Order submitted. Order
Well,
filled.
we just popped in again. Let's take a look here.
Order filled.
One more run for a south trade here. Looking a little weak on the Laguerre. Little momentum shift here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Whew. Chopzilla, here we go. We gotta push pause for a second here. Getting faked out too much now.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, yo, yo.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, wow. Those are hard, aren't they? give up too soon.
Order
Shoot.
filled.
Whew. Gotta take it on chin 3 times in a row.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, so smart velocity here, jump back in again. It gets enough swings at the bat. That's the name of the game here. Get enough swings. Alright, we'll squeeze her down and jump back in here.
Order filled.
Looks like she found a way.
Order filled. Well, let's see if we can catch that power move going north here. Working back towards the all-time highs. Order filled. Order filled.
Hope she didn't run out of gas here. We were hoping there's a little gas in the tank. Come on, someone put a little petrol in her. Let's go to the moon. Come on. Ruh-roh. Uh-oh. Whew. Come on. Come on, grind them up, baby. Grind them up. Here we go. Let's go. Grind them up. Grind them up. Let's go.
Order
Let's
submitted.
make some money. Have some fun here. Come on. Here we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. There's a shot in the arm.
Order
Boom,
filled.
baby. Woohoo! Lower the hammer. Here we go.
Order filled.
Come out hot. Lowered the hammer on that
Order
one.
filled.
Woo wee, let's go. There was a rocket ship. I think that's a little bit of rocket fuel. Pretty sure that was rocket fuel right there. We're working a long trade here. Oh, we're setting a bear trap on them. Uh-oh.
Filled.
Gave it all back quickly. With a quickness.
Order
Rocket
submitted.
fuel ran out. GK, what's happening? What you up to? Alright, come on. Let's make some money, have some fun here. Got hit in the face by the NQ rocket ship there. See if we can pound our way back in. We're going long.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Signal A jumped out here on the old smart velocity. Doesn't look good though. Whew,
Order
boy.
filled.
Dang, this is a tough zone here. Whew.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Whew.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gotta shut her down. See what this one's up to. Woo! Shit.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh boy. I got smoked today.
Order submitted.
Oh shoot. I should have hit it overnight, man. That thing was smoking. It's still up $2,300 and I jump in, I'm down 1,000. Caught it at the wrong time.
Order filled.
Trade that I stepped aside, it wins. So it's a numbers game. I wasn't committed to it early enough. It's old smart velocity here. Ran outdid me on this strategy today by a long shot. I had a couple of good trades with it, but man, I took it on the chin every trade I took. Woo! She might go for another winner here for me. Sometimes that's the way the trading goes. You never know what side of the coin you're going to land on. Every day's another day.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
That was a good trade at smart exit there. I like that exit on that trade. It broke even and it took it out of the trade. Let's get a couple of these going. I need to get a couple that are some that I can stick with here. We'll use some of these evals up here. 2141, 2140. Come on. Doesn't even look like that one's there. Let's see. 2039.
Order submitted.
GC, huh, Rue? Way to go. Traded that GC in a long time.
Order submitted.
Forgot to start all these today. Oh my gosh. Only came to the came to the gunfight with a single shot. I have a full revolver down here that I didn't bring earlier. We'll get them started now, though. Sheesh.
Order submitted. Order.
Got
Order
a
filled.
nice long trade on the ES right now.
Order
Woo!
submitted.
Nice ES trade. Going long.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Alright, we've got a long trade here. Try to make a, oh man, didn't even have the ES star on. God darn it. Fell asleep earlier, I guess. I didn't have all my strategies up and rolling. Sheesh. I've got so many on my machine now, I have to start them in segments. I've got 3 different sets of software that I'm running, so I have so many, it just bogs this thing down like crazy. So I start them in 3 different chunks, or 4. And I forgot to start 2 of them. We're all rolling now, though. This smart velocity is one of the better ones. One of my favorites right now. ES star is the other. It wasn't running either. Darn thing was down. Let's see what it is over here. Let's see. So I looked at the data for the ES star, and we're going to look at it a little closer, but signal C seems to be leading the way. So I've got one built with signal C, and boy, is it doing well. So we may have another another version coming soon. It's hopefully even better, which is hard to believe. In fact, we've developed the software so we can run a drone like we do with the Signal ABC star, and we can tell the bot what signal to drive with. So if, again, we're making money on Signal C, it's the most profitable, we can drive that bot to only trade Signal C. We're not quite done with it, but I do have it on my machine here where it's working. You can export the data out of these, all this trade performance out to ChatGPT. We'll do it together as a group right now in a few seconds, after this trade maybe. You can take the data out of your trade performance and put it in ChatGPT and ask it to give you a summary of all your entry signals. And it'll tell you between the 6 different entry signals which one is the most profitable. Then you can use that data to create, your most profitable strategy.
Order filled.
With Smart Velocity, we can do the same thing because we're using signal A, B, and C as entries.
Order filled.
So again, we're using 6 different entry signals, and we can zero in on which one's the most profitable. That one right there was a signal C long entry, and it met its full profit target of $500. So
Order filled.
So let's do a quick demo on how to get the trade performance out of this Ninja Trader because I don't know the answer to this one yet. I did the ES star a couple of days ago, and it was signal C was the most profitable. So let's take a look at the data for the NQ Smart Velocity, the Smart Velocity drone, and let's see what entry signals are most profitable. So I'm going to go to trade performance.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we're going long again. So I'm just going to bring up my trade performance. We're in a long trade here, so I'll bring it up down here. So trade performance, I just went back January 1st till today, and selected the NQ 30 range Smart Velocity. I clicked this little funnel here. So kind of how this trade performance works is this is the period, so that's the day. So 2/6, 2/7, so that's the days of the week. So in the last whatever this is, six days here, it's up 4,500. So today it's up 2,700 right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we just got the. So if I refresh it now, we'll see it go a little higher because it just finished a trade. It should have 25 here now. Yep, 25, and it got a little higher. So it's in another trade right here. But so this is how the trade performance works, and you can also go right in this little dude right here and go to trades. So again, now very specifically, every single trade is marked in here. So the very last trade that just happened was right here. It was one that we just watched together. I like to double click all these to get them wider. So I can really see all the details here.
Order filled.
So, today is the 13th at 10:19. and then it even has, you know, the milliseconds, which are very important when it comes down to trading. So anyway, the milliseconds here. So this is the entry time, and then the exit time of that particular trade. That was a B long entry. So that's going to be very important for our data analysis. We're going to ask ChatGPT, hey, entry name. You know, look at all the there's 6 different entry names. Look at all those 6 different entry names, and then sum them up for us. Sum up the profit, and see which one is the most profitable. Here we go, going long. This one is a, let's see what entry this one is.
Order filled.
Whatever this is right here, I can't quite read it. So it's this one is a B entry right here. You can't quite see it there, but it's a signal B. There it is. So this is signal B entry right now that we're on. So we're gonna go see what the most profitable entry signal is for the smart velocity. And then the natural progression is to have that bot just take that signal, you know, try to zoom in one more time. So what we're going to do is we're going to export. I just right mouse clicked anywhere on there. I'm just going to export it out to the, I'll just go out to the downloads folder. I'm just going to put a number 1 in front of it so I know, and it should filter to the top. This is the data for the, actually I'll just write the name. This is the smart velocity. So I'll just call it smart velocity data, and keeping it in the CSV is important for ChatGPT. They like CSV files. They don't like XLM or XML, XLMS or XLS. They just don't like Excel files. So we're just launching ChatGPT over here. So now I've got ChatGPT opened up. We have a business account here, so I don't know if anything's different specifically with a business account or not, other than I pay for, you know, other licenses for the team. But I'm using a 4.0 right here. I have a data analyst GPT driver here. So I can do, you know, a few different ways. I usually just have Windows Explorer open, and I usually just drag in the oops, sorry about that. I usually just drag in the file. I have a couple monitors here, so I usually just do it on the fly here, but we'll see if I can just drag it in from here. Yeah, so you can just drag in your data there and drop it, and then ask ChatGPT. Let's see. Sum up the entry. Sum up the entry name profits, and so let's see what that does. Sum up the entry name and give us the profit. So we'll see if it can get us to the end result. So it's analyzing the CSV file now, and
order filled.
running out of gas on this trade here. We got a trade trying to go north on us, and we got a little weakness in the market.
Order submitted.
Okay, I guess it came back with the result here. I didn't see that. It's usually bigger on my screen, but let's see. Okay, so expand that out a little bit here. It summed up all the entries, and we would just want to double check this data. But what it's given us is B long looks like the numero uno for now, and B short. So just running with signal B looks like the signal to go with right now for the or signal C. So looks like just getting rid of signal A would be the way to go right now. So smart velocity again with this data, as long as it's giving us good results, and we'll go verify that real quick. How I can verify that might be I'm gonna take it out to Excel, where I always keep up with the data. That's a good place here too. This time I'm gonna do it in Excel workbook. Okay, so now that I got it out in a Excel workbook out here, all right. Now that I have it out in an Excel workbook, I can filter it by entry name, and we'll just go with B long. That was the one that it was loving on. So these are all B long, and what I should just be able to do is scroll right through these, and these should all be B long entries, and see what it comes up with. 4652. 4652. That seemed to be very close what ChatGPT came back with. Let's see, where was ChatGPT at? B long 4652 on the nut. Woo! How about that? So 4652. So me, Excel, and ChatGPT were dead on. So looks like with that one spot check, we can do another spot check here just to. I mean, that one was spot on, but let's do the crappiest one. Can't remember if it was signal A long or short, but we'll do. So there wasn't very many trades, but yeah. So signal A was down 21.98. Let's go take a look at ChatGPT.
Order submitted.
Signal A down 21.98 on the dot. So looks like our data is working.
Order submitted.
So back to the ChatGPT results
Order
here
submitted.
for us. If I was a betting man, which I am, I would look very closely at my data and see that I've got signal B and signal C making money, and I've got signal A going to lunch. You know, we're gonna shit can signal A here quickly. So that's the recipe for today.
Order submitted.
OGPT says signal A must go to the woodshed.
Order submitted.
To the woodshed.
Order submitted.
All right, come on, one last trade here.
Order submitted.
Let it be a goodie. This one is, which one is this? Signal. This one's a signal B long. So this is a keeper. Oh, we would have kept this one.
Order filled.
We'll see. She's choking here. A little sign of life, and she chokes. Ran, those ESs can be painful. I mean, painful to trade. I have a hard time trading the ES myself too. Just doesn't enter trades very often. Can be a good thing. So that's the way it goes. It's only when the trade sets up right on the chart, unfortunately. I try forcing it all the time. It just doesn't work. Yep. Here comes the flush. Oh, George called it. Come on. We're going to pull up at 22,000 here in a couple of seconds. 22,000 on the NQ again. Let's go to the moon. Woo! She's gonna grind into 22,000 here. It's grinding into 22,000 one time here on the NQ.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nice move to the upside, right through 22,000, right on the dot. We're holding 22,000 right on the dot with a $300 winner so far. coming into the profit target window here shortly. Looking like we got $1,000 across 5 accounts there. Big trade on the ES going north. Woo-wee! Big trades on the ES going north. Woo-wee! All right. All right. Good outing for the Haymaker drone today.
Order submitted.
Okay, we popped into old profit target. Oh, let's let her run. Let's let her run. Let's let her run. The way we met her run is we just grab her over here and we let her run.
Order
Oh,
filled.
choke her out. Oh, smart velocity on my machine up $3,300 for the day so far. Oh, smart velocity. Boy, yesterday it ran up a big bill too. Woo-wee! Oh, George, here comes Trump. Come Trump. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Order submitted.
We like it. We like it. We like it moving. Keep her moving.
Filled.
All right, so we got $1,000 bill out of the way there. We took a couple on the chin though, and it counted, which was unfortunate. We'll have to keep stocking the fire here. Appreciate everybody joining me today. We'll be back in the chair tomorrow. I think Rory might be back tomorrow, but we'll be live here at 9:15 or so. So everybody have a great day. Thanks again for trading here today with me. Everybody, see you. Bye now.